Welcome back and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Now, this car is finished in poppy red, which is orange. Yes, you are right, it's orange. Poppy red with a black, factory black vinyl top. Excuse me. It has a factory pony interior in it with an automatic on the floor. This car is a A-code 289 V8 engine under the hood. It's a pretty good upgrade from the standard 289 engine in these cars. Not as quite as good or expensive as a K-code, but probably about the next best thing. Aluminum radiator. The engine has been rebuilt at some point. The gentleman we got the car from thought it may have had around 20,000 miles on the engine, 15 to 20,000. He said he couldn't verify that, but that's what the previous owner had told him. So, style steel wheels, Cooper Cobra, Radial GT, raised white letter tires. The paint on this car is very, very nice. The body is very, very nice. The undercarriage, very solid car all through and through. This is a great car. It starts good, it runs good, it drives good. Inside the trunk, the mat, the spare tire, jack instructions, trunk seal. The gaps are nice on this car too. The trunk opens and shuts nice. The vinyl top is in good shape on the car. You can come all the way back down into here. You don't see any bubbles or blisters. A little piece right there, I don't know what. I'm sticking up right there. It's not a rust bubble or nothing like that, I don't know. A little imperfection in the top maybe. Just a gorgeous car. You can see it might have had a little bit of touch up here in this seam. Looks like somebody might have touched it up a little bit right through here. Like I say, very nice underneath the hood. The chrome bumpers are both in great shape. The grille looks nice. The style steel wheels look like they are newer. The stainless trim around the window is in good shape. A little bit of real fine, maybe real fine little scratching in the glass. You look real close. The front windshield. Side glass all in great shape. It does have a couple little scratches right here. Wooden steering wheel. Interior is super nice in the car. The seats are very comfortable. Carpet's in nice shape. Headliner, sail panels, package tray, sun visors. Shows 90,504 miles. Left turn, right turn. Radio. Heater seems to kick on. Horn works. Radio works. It's kind of hard to see that in face. Glove box. glass. Like I say, all the windows go up and down like they're supposed to. This is one gorgeous car. You see a lot of just average Mustangs. This one's way above average. This is a very, very nice car. Capable of taking it to car shows and winning trophies, I'm sure. And the color, man, I tell you what, that poppy red with that black vinyl top, this car really just stands out, doesn't it? This car will not be here long. I'm pricing this car at $38,900. I think that's a very, very fair price for this car. These coupes are going really, really crazy, and I'm not gonna get crazy with this car. I'm just gonna sell it for what it's worth. Here we go. This is how we do things here at Kinion Classics. Just tell you everything we know about the cars and try to make you the best deal possible. Try to be your #1 source for collector cars anywhere in the Midwest and anywhere in the country, for that sake. There we go. Good running car. Drives nice. Drive this car with one finger on the wheel. I hope you guys are all enjoying your day. Beautiful day outside, especially here in Iowa. Bright sunny sky. Got some clouds, but they're beautiful. That blue sky, I love seeing that. The blue sky and the green grass. I know the grass is not quite green here yet, but it is changing. My grass at home is starting to turn green. It's a good feeling. Good feeling. Winter is almost over. I'll do a quick little walk around here with you folks quick. Show you the outside of this car out in the daylight, and then we'll hit her right back to town. Here she is, gorgeous little 65 poppy red Mustang. We'll get back and we'll take some undercarriage pictures for you. Gorgeous little car. I think if you notice, I have to put this window crank, I gotta put this back on. It has a little set screw there I need to tighten up. Put it on there and tighten the set screw up. So if you've seen that missing in the pictures or the video, that's the deal with it. So Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys all have a great afternoon, and we'll be back at you here in just a little bit with another great quality muscle car. Thanks for watching.